Hello friends, welcome back to the Code Generator. This is your Nandini and I'm here with you with a new video with a new topic in Java. So yep, as you can see on my screen, we are going to learn for loop in Java today. So in the last week we have learned while loop and do while loop. So in today's video we are going to learn for loop and for each loop. So don't miss this video. Watch till the end for in order to understand for loop properly. So let's begin with this and the for loop. When you know exactly how many times you want to loop through a block of code, use the for loop instead of while loop. Okay. So in the syntax of the for loop will be for, then statement 1, statement 2, statement 3. But what are the statements? Okay, let's see. And in the curly braces, code block to be executed. So the statement 1 is executed one time before the execution of code block. Statement 2 defines condition for the executing the code block. Statement 3 is executed every time after the code block has been updated. Okay, no worries. If you don't understand what are these statements, I'll explain you in the next slide, that is our diagram. So the first step will be initialization, the first statement. Second is condition checking. So in the condition checking, it will check the condition. If it is true, it will move with the body of for loop and it will increase or decrement. If it is false, then it will end up the loop. Okay, let's move with the next one. Here, for in the for loop, the first one is initialization, second is condition, and third one is updation. The first step of the for loop is it will initialize the variable and it will set for the condition, and in the third step it will check for the condition. If condition is true, then it will jump into inside the for loop and it will end up with the for loop and it will update the thing and it will again check for the condition. So like that, till the moment condition is false, it will keep checking, and the condition is false, it will jump to the last. That means it will jump out of the loop. So let's see simple practical example for this. And let's say for in bracket int I is equal to 0 and I would like to print I is less than 5 and I would like to increment as 1 for the I, and simply I would like to print the value of I. Let's make it simple in order to understand. So just let's see the output for this. So as I said, I have initialized with 0, so it will start with 0 and end up with less than 5. So as simple it was. That's it for the for loop, and as we saw the output for this. And let's see the next one, that is for each loop. There is also for each loop which is used exclusively to loop through elements in an array. So simply in for each loop we can use array. We can use elements of the array. So syntax for the for each loop will be for data type, that is type, variable name and array name, and in the curly braces code block to be executed. Okay, very simple. Let's see the example for this. For example, I'll say string. Okay, it should be capital S. Otherwise, it will give error. String open close. That it shows that I am initializing an array, and I will declare array called as cars is equal to in the curly braces. Okay, I'll say Audi, and next one my favorite BMW from my childhood, and next one is say Acura, and next one is Alpha Romeo. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. So this was the string. Now how to, so this was the array. How to print an array, how to use the array in the for each loop. So we'll say string I semicolon array my array name is cars, so I'll say cars and I'll just print it. So very simple, and let's run this. Yep, this for loop will print all the elements of the array cars. So that's it for the for each loop. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubts, as usual, you can find me at the code generator 115, or you can drop mail as mentioned over here, and simply you can mention your doubts or questions in the comment. I'll answer there. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.